Trucker Wisiso Balati used to look forward to his daily drive from his home country Botswana to pick up goods in neighboring South Africa. But since the COVID-19 pandemic, border trips for truckers like him have become a nightmare of being tested and forced to wait up to 5 days for results. Balati says the conditions at the border check are awful, with no food vendors or proper toilets.
It is tough. There are times when we think of quitting. Where we go to in South Africa, there are high cases of coronavirus. What we are asking for is to be treated with dignity, as we provide an essential service.
Officials in Botswana say with nearly 500,000 cases of the fast-spreading virus in South Africa, testing people who cross the border is vital. After Botswana recorded a new daily record for confirmed cases, truckers, especially from South Africa, are being watched carefully.
These are largely border cases, and 80% of these 50 cases were non-citizen. So it also tells a story where the threat level or the pressure of risk is based. It is at the border.
Analyst Lawrence Okeditse says the pandemic should be a wake-up call for Botswana's reliance on South African goods.
This COVID thing has proven that the country is in a precarious position, particularly when you look into its dependence on South Africa. The country needs to be at a point where it now can depend on itself for, a good number of vital supplies. We import literally everything.
Botswana's government figures show South Africa accounted for nearly 3/4 of the country's import bill as of April this year. For the moment, nothing has changed and the truckers remain vulnerable to the coronavirus. Of Botswana's 739 COVID-19 cases, 620 have been truck drivers testing positive at the country's entry points. Mqondisi Dube for VOA News, Gaborone.